Yeah, show them.
Love.
See it, Michael? Can you see it? Cheers, beautiful. Then it says the Mommy Pockets. That's Mommy's brand. Ugh. I don't know. Okay. Aloha! What's up, guys? Welcome to the Mommy Pockets channel. I am Sarah. I'm the founder of the Mommy Pockets, and I'm really excited to bring y'all the June box theme this month and share with you guys what was in our June box. So the theme was Mom's Tropical Escape, and I themed it this because it's the beginning of summer, kids are out, or you may have kids that aren't in school yet, but it's summertime and everybody needs a little escape to the tropics, or in our case it is Hawaii. It was kind of more of the theme of our box, and it's got some really nice stuff, some really good summer essentials that moms could use and definitely enjoy. So if you're a wonderful mom who got our box, this will be arriving on your door or has already arrived. It says Cheers Beautiful on the front, and then you'll see the Mommy Pockets, so you know it is the Mommy Pockets box. Not just somebody who's really excited to see you saying Cheers Beautiful, which you are. You are beautiful. So this is the box, and inside of your box this month, when you get your box in the mail, this is what it's going to look like. And this is what it should look like when you open it. It's going to say you deserve this and have all your goodies inside. So I showed you guys what was in the box, or how it looks when you open it. And the very first insert on top is a Hawaiian Mai Tai recipe. The reason I had this in there is because this is the go-to drink, especially if you're a tourist in Hawaii. If you guys didn't know, I actually lived in Hawaii a little over a year, but I mean, the way they make Mai Tais in Hawaii is just amazing. This is an exclusive recipe for those who got the June box, and it's really, really yummy. And I know as moms, we sometimes just need that perfect cocktail, especially during the summer, to really just take that edge off, especially if it's been one of those days. And this recipe is going to do just that and more. You're going to be feeling like you are floating around in the islands in a couple sips. The next insert that you would pull up would be a what is in your box insert. And it's going to explain what is in the box, where it comes from, and all that fun stuff. I'm not going to read it to you because I'm about to show it to you guys. And then your next insert that comes up after what is in your box insert is your monthly mom motivation. The reason I have these inserts in there is because we all need that little pick-me-up, that little reminder. I have daily reminders, and I know if I had one of these, I actually do keep these for myself each month. I motivate my own self, and I want you guys to put this somewhere you won't forget it. You put it on your refrigerator, put it on your mirror in the bathroom, on your front door, put it on your nightstand, somewhere you can see this every single day to remind you how amazing of a mother you are. Whatever the motivation is for this month, this one is themed more of a summer motivation and remembering what it's like to be a kid and getting that inner child in there. That is a really natural way to actually bring those happy endorphins out, especially as hard as it may be when you're going through postpartum and having all those baby blues, whether it's been 2 years since you've had your child or whether it's been 2 weeks. Remembering to be a kid is the biggest thing, and this has got the exact ingredients and recipe for you to release those endorphins and be happy, and that motivation to keep going and pushing through because you got this, mom. So the first thing on the list is the Urban Flair USA earrings. I loved her. She's really, really sweet, and her name's Mala, the owner of this company. Like, if you did not know, most things that I get for the box are things you can't get in a big box store. You can't get in most places. So these are mostly small businesses, local businesses, things you're not going to find really, things you're not going to normally find or normally see. So these are things that are going to be really cool, and you're supporting a small business when you purchase the Mommy Pockets box. So these are the Urban Flare earrings. They're really soft, they're flowy, they're really light. They look like they'd be heavy, but these are so light and so easy, and they're quick. They're a quick, easy way to dress up an outfit or just be casual, and I promise. So I actually will put these on for you guys so you can see what they look like. Okay, these are the Urban Flare earrings. If you can see them on me. You saw before how easy it was to just kind of dress these up or dress this outfit up and make me go, oh, really, I'm ready to go. So the reason I chose white is because it's versatile, it pretty much goes with anything, and in the summertime, most of us are outdoors. We try to get outdoors, and this is going to make our skin color and our tan just pop. That glow is just going to shine even brighter with these earrings on. And maybe these aren't your style. These would actually make a really great gift. These are really cute. I know most moms really like these. These are definitely in right now. And you're still supporting a small business. So these are the Urban Flare USA earrings, and this is the first item in the box. And the next item in the box is going to be the Headbands of Hope headband. I was really excited to partner with Headbands of Hope. They are an amazing company doing really great things, and this is actually one of the ways your box is helping the children that we're donating to this month. So each headband purchased, so pretty much each box that was purchased in June, one headband that we purchased, they duplicate that and send it to a child with cancer. So yours helping support a child with cancer, and not just one, but two ways. And I'll share the other way with you here in a moment. But this is the first way you're actually helping to put a smile on a pediatric cancer's patient's face. And I'm really excited. I just have so much love and support for these type of companies. I just love being able to give back in multiple ways. And so this is, not only was I able to give the mommies who purchased the June box a gift, but all the kids of Children's Chalk Hospital are receiving a Headbands of Hope as well. So thank you for all the support from the moms and people who purchased the June box. You guys put a smile on a cancer patient's face, and I couldn't be more thankful. And I hope that you guys know that it's going to a really great cause. I thank you. I thank you so much. And so when you open it, it actually has a little tag on it. It'll say Headbands of Hope, and it says, for every headband sold, a headband is given to a child with cancer. And you can actually follow them at Headbands of Hope on Instagram. And you can go to headbandsofhope.com and get another headband if you'd like, and help support a child with cancer. Put a smile on their face, make everybody's day. The reason I chose this specific headband, it's really cute. It is a gray leather headband, and it can be worn two different ways. And I will show you. It can be worn as a choker or as a headband. So first I'll show you guys how to wear it as a choker. So this is what it looks like as a choker. It's really cute. It goes pretty much with anything. Exactly the same reason that I chose the earrings. It goes with anything. It's versatile, and this is going to make your summer glow just pop even more. It's a really great color that goes with anything, and that is why this color was chosen and this style was chosen, because you can wear it this way. You can wear it as a choker like this. And I'm gonna show you guys how to wear it as a headband too, so hang on. So this is the Headband of Hope headband, the gray choker headband. If you guys can see it, I have it right in there. And one thing I like about this is any hairstyle will go with it. I have crazy hair. However I wake up, that's how my hair is gonna be. If you can see this, it's just kinda, it does its own thing, and I go with it, I roll with it. I'm a mom. Unless I'm doing it, which doesn't happen very often because, again, I'm a mom. But a mom tip and hack for anybody who has wild and crazy hair, adding an accessory like sunglasses, which you saw throughout the entire video earlier, and a headband such as this really just kind of makes it look like you tried. And I'd say like 8 times out of 10, you'll probably see me with sunglasses in my hair because that's my go-to. I'm like, my hair looks awful. There's some sunglasses in. Yeah. So this is a great alternative. It actually looks a little nicer, a little dressier, because I would literally wear sunglasses at like 9 o'clock at night. And people would be like, why are you wearing sunglasses? And I would tell them, because I wear my sunglasses at night. That's my sunglass story. That's my mom hack. Another fun thing that was in the box was the beach ball. I added this really cute little beach balls in there just because it is a tropical escape and everyone loves beach balls. Most people who got these have children. It's also a great entertainment tool. So you're welcome. And last but not least, it's definitely the reasoning behind the Hawaiian theme was I was able to bring from the islands the sarongs that so many people wear in the islands. And these actually come from Duke's Lane in Waikiki. If you see here, I did 3 different types. This is the first one. You can see here it is a flower. Most of these are multicolored, but they've got to have the flowers on here. It's really pretty, really soft. Another one that I did was a sea turtle type, which I thought these are really pretty. These are going to be a main color and have a rose gold on them to accent all the different designs on here. So these ones are really pretty too. And last but not least, I think this last one is actually my favorite. I think out of the 3, this is gonna be the softest. And it's just super cute. It has aloha on it, you can see right here. And then it also says Hawaii. So throughout the whole piece, it actually has aloha and Hawaii on it. And so I love these because you can wear them so many different ways. You can wear them as a scarf, just like this. You can do something like that. And, you know, whatever. You can wear that as a kimono too. So, you can kind of just wear this, as you can see here, as a kimono. It goes over anything. It's really cute. Very simple. I'll show you guys here in a second too that you can actually use it as a sarong and wear it as a tank top. You can wrap it up here and you just tie it in the back and you're good to go. It's a tank top. These, I was really excited to get those for you guys. These are so soft, so soft. One of the ways Michael thought was very exciting to use the sarongs with, I will show you here. It's really cute. And I'm in here. Here, let's show them what their gift is. Where's baby? Where is he? There he is. Oh. No. Yeah. Where's Michael? There he is. Where did the baby go? There he is. Lots of different ways to use this. You can use this as a scarf, kimono, a beach towel or a beach blanket, an actual sarong, a tank top, a t-shirt, a bikini or bathing suit cover. So many different things that you can use for your sarong. So this is going to be that look, and I will show you guys what the sarong looks like as a sarong. Alright y'all, so this is the full look of the Hawaiian escape. Well, that was the entire beach look that we got going on. Oh, forgot to tell you guys who we're donating to for the June box. Doi. So y'all, for the June box donation, we are actually, this is the June box insert. Like I told y'all earlier, you were able to help a child with cancer by giving them a headband through a purchase of the box. Not only did you help one child in need, you actually get to help 2 children, and by donating to Joy Jars. With each box that is purchased, $3 of that box goes towards various organizations each month. And in June, I thought it just went perfectly. As Headbands of Hope, we were already giving back to a child with cancer. Joy Jars, I saw the founder speak, or the founder's father speak. She's no longer with us, the founder. She was an 11-year-old. She actually passed away from a brain cancer 5 years ago. You can go to nigu.org and see more about Joy Jars. But $3 of your box goes towards that organization to bring joy to the children in fighting cancer in the hospitals. So thank y'all so, so much for being a part of this, being a part of giving back and being able to help these kids have smiles. If y'all want to donate more than that, you can go to nigu.org and go to Headbands of Hope and purchase another headband to give to a child in need fighting cancer. Also, y'all, there is an About the Mommy Pockets insert in here. You can follow our various social media handles to get featured. If you guys did get a box, make sure and tag at the Mommy Pockets box on Instagram, and we will feature y'all on the page. Not only that, you are entered in to win a free box for the next month. So make sure and take the pictures on how you're using your box, on what your favorite product was, and I look forward to seeing you guys' pictures. Comment below on what you guys would want in the future and what your favorite product was in the Hawaiian box. I look forward to reading your comments and seeing your pictures on Instagram. If you're not following us yet, make sure to go to Instagram and at the Mommy Pockets box and follow us along there. If you aren't subscribed, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I am going to be doing a lot of different stuff, unboxings each month, and how to use what's in your box and why it was in there, as well as different day-to-day stuff. Hashtag Mom Life. As always, beautiful, cheers. I am Sarah. I'm the founder of the Mommy Pockets.